friends, welcome back to my channel and another video. Today we are going to be touring my winter living room. So I've made a few changes, moved a few things around, added in some thrifted treasures, and just tried to give my home like an English cottage winter, if you will. So for those of you who are new here, hello, my name is Tina. I do all things decorating, some cooking. I really love English cottage grandma chic. If that's a thing, that's what I love. And that's what I tend to try to create our house and home to be. We do live in New England, so I guess that's as close to living in England as I'm going to get anytime soon. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to show you around the living room. I'm just going to set it to music so you can kind of sit back, relax, grab a coffee, grab some wine, whatever your beverage of choice is, and just kind of look around. And I will also link below some thrifting videos so you can kind of see when I thrifted these little treasures from. Most of the thrifted things are on the mantle. I'll give you a little clue. But anyway, let's go take a look and sit back, relax, and let's get going. thank you for watching today's video. If you're so inclined, I would love for you to hit the like and subscribe bell and the bell so you get notified whenever I make a new video, and if you liked it. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Also, my husband and I are doing a channel all about relationships and sharing some funny stories and just trying to give a little bit of advice there, since we are in our 50s. Well, I'm in my 50s, he just turned 60. So he can have the 60, I'm staying in the 50s. But you know, a lot of the things we went through with relationships, dating, you know, all the things, how we run our home, that's going to be one of our next videos, is a traditional marriage in modern times, and that will be airing on Friday. So anyway, thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.